Yeah!
Hello, everybody! Welcome back to Lingokids Crafts. Today, we will be drawing a green vegetable that you might have in your fridge. You can eat it cooked in a soup, raw in a salad, or even steamed. Sometimes, cheese is added on top of it to make it taste even more delicious. Can you guess what it is? That's right! Today, we will be drawing broccoli. Grab your pencil and a sheet of paper and let's get started. We're going to start at the bottom with the broccoli's base. First, let's draw a small, horizontal straight line just like that. That's our base. Did you know that broccoli is a superfood? That can give us stronger bones and sharper eyesight? If you think that spinach makes you strong, wait until you see what broccoli can do. Now, we need to add our stems. On the right end point of our base, draw a curve going upwards from left to right. Great job! Then, alongside the higher part of this curve, draw another curve that bends from left to right, exactly like the first one, but much smaller. That's amazing! Both your curves should look like the stripes of a rainbow. Let's do the same on the left side. On the left end point of our base, draw a curve going upwards from right to left. Excellent! Then, alongside the higher part of this curve, right above it, draw another curve that bends from right to left. Exactly like the first one, but much smaller. Just like that. Did you know that broccoli stems are not only delicious, but also full of nutritious vitamins? So, when you eat broccoli, do not throw the stems away. We are almost done with our body. From the bottom point of each of the smaller curves, draw a straight line on each side, right in the middle, that goes from the bottom to the top. Both lines should end at the same point. And there you go! Now, we have our third stem. Your shape should now look a little like the trunk of a tree, with two branches coming out of it. Now, time to draw the broccoli heads. On the top right of the stem, start drawing 8 small semicircles, one after the other in a circle. You can add as many as you like. Your broccoli heads should almost look like petals on a flower. Let's do the same on top of the left and middle stems. Great job, everyone! Now, we have 3 stems with 3 broccoli heads. Our drawing is almost complete. Let's add just one final touch and draw a few small circles inside our stems. You can even add small semicircles if you draw them on the curves. Some circles can be bigger or smaller than others. It's up to you. Did you know that vegetables, fruits, and fish are very good for our health? They are filled with vitamins to help us stay healthy and full of energy. Now that we've drawn our broccoli, it's time to make it pop by adding colors. You can follow our suggestions or create your own color scheme. It's up to you. For our broccoli, we'll be using light green and dark green. First, use the light green crayon to color all the stems and broccoli heads. Don't color inside the circles. That looks great!
Yay!
Then, use the dark green crayon to color the little circles, the ones we left blank.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
And ta-da! What a yummy broccoli! Great job, everybody! Parents, your child has done an amazing job. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us.
More songs, activities, and podcasts on our YouTube channels. and the full interactive adventure in the Lingokids app.